This was a meeting of Azimio Council attended by members of the special committee that has been appointed to carry out negotiations with the Kenya Kwanza on outstanding issues. So we have a statement which is going to be read on our behalf by Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, the party leader of DAP. Honorable Wamalwa.
Thank you. Thank you, Excellency, colleagues. We met today with our entire team, except the Honorable Millie Odhiambo, who is out of the country on a trip, but who sent her apologies. And this is a statement we wish to make after the Azimio debriefing meeting with delegation to the bipartisan talks on this 4th day of May 2023. When we announced the suspension of our protests one more time yesterday, we said we would summon our 7-member delegation to the bipartisan talks for debriefing and fresh instructions. This has been the meeting with the said delegation for a debriefing, and they have properly been debriefed. All the 6 of them, except the 1 member who was not here with us today. This meeting resolved to approach and participate in the talks with clean hands in the interest of the country, and that the talks need to start immediately. Our issues remain what we always said. They are: 1, we want the state